Technology, a double-edged sword. Technology has revolutionized our lives, providing unprecedented opportunities and conveniences. However, this same technology also exposes our vulnerabilities on a global scale, presenting risks that we must navigate carefully. Enhanced connectivity and communication. Social media platforms enable instant communication across the globe, facilitating personal and professional connections. This promotes global collaboration, cultural exchange, and real-time information sharing. Advancements in healthcare. AI-powered diagnostic tools assist doctors in identifying diseases more accurately and early. This improves patient outcomes and enables personalized medicine. Efficiency and productivity. Automation and AI streamline industrial processes, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. This drives economic growth and innovation across various sectors. Vulnerabilities exposed by technology. First, let's talk about cybersecurity threats. Data breaches and ransomware attacks target both corporations and individuals. The impact? Well, it leads to financial losses, compromised personal information, and business disruptions. Next, we have privacy concerns. Data collection and surveillance by governments and corporations are prime examples. This erosion of personal privacy can lead to the misuse of sensitive information. And then there's misinformation and manipulation. The spread of fake news and deepfake videos aims to influence public opinion and elections. This undermines trust in media and democratic institutions. Global implications. Geopolitical tensions are a significant concern. Cyber attacks and espionage between nation-states increase the risk of conflicts and disrupt international relations. Economic disparities also come into play. Unequal access to technology exacerbates the digital divide between rich and poor regions. This hinders economic development and perpetuates inequality. Lastly, let's consider the social and psychological effects. Social media addiction impacts mental health, leading to increased anxiety, depression, and social isolation. Mitigating risks. First, strengthening cybersecurity is crucial. Implement robust security measures and educate individuals about online safety. This reduces the likelihood of cyber attacks and data breaches. Next, protecting privacy is essential. Enforce stringent data protection regulations and promote transparency in data usage. This safeguards personal information and builds trust in technology. And finally, combating misinformation is vital. Develop and deploy AI tools to detect and flag fake news and promote digital literacy. This ensures informed decision-making and maintains public trust in media. Conclusion. While technology offers incredible benefits, it also exposes us to significant vulnerabilities. By recognizing these risks and taking proactive steps to mitigate them, we can harness the power of technology responsibly and create a safer, more equitable world. Vigilance, regulation, and education are key to navigating the complexities of our increasingly digital lives. Stay informed, stay secure, and advocate for responsible technology use to safeguard our future.